15 DIY, do-it-yourself, steps to understand mitosis. 1. Mitosis definition. Mitosis is a type of cell division that results in two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. 2. Purpose. Mitosis is essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues in multicellular organisms. 3. DNA replication. Before mitosis begins, DNA replication occurs, ensuring each chromosome consists of two identical sister chromatids. 4. Prophase. During prophase, chromosomes condense, becoming visible under a microscope. The nuclear envelope breaks down. 5. Metaphase. Chromosomes line up at the metaphase plate, equator of the cell, attached to the spindle fibers. 6. Anaphase. Sister chromatids separate, moving to opposite poles of the cell. 7. Telophase. Nuclear envelope reforms around each set of chromosomes, and chromosomes uncoil. 8. Cytokinesis. The cytoplasm divides, and the cell splits into two daughter cells. 9. Chromosome number. Mitosis maintains the diploid, 2n, number of chromosomes in somatic cells. 10. Genetic identity. Daughter cells are genetically identical to the parent cell. 11. Importance in development. Mitosis plays a crucial role in embryonic development and tissue growth. 12. Role in repair. Mitosis enables tissues to repair themselves by replacing damaged or dead cells. 13. Asexual reproduction. In some organisms, mitosis is used for asexual reproduction, producing offspring genetically identical to the parent. 14. Regulation. Mitosis is tightly regulated by cellular mechanisms to ensure proper cell division. 15. Significance in medicine. Understanding mitosis is vital for cancer research, regenerative medicine, and tissue engineering.